Hi, I'm Charlotte from BabySecurity, and today we are looking at the Callowesse Air2 Retractable Safety Gate. Inside your Air2 Retractable Safety Gate box, you will receive the instruction manual, your fixing kit, and your retractable safety gate. The Callowesse Air2 Retractable Safety Gate has a wide range of features that are perfect for your needs. The first of which being that it fits extra wide openings. This actually extends up to 160 centimetres. Like so. You'll notice with the Air2 Retractable, when the locking mechanism is engaged, you will not be able to remove the gate from the wall. With a simple push down and twist, you'll release the lock and you can open the gate. Again, when the gate is retracted back, you can still push down and lock, so the gate can't be messed around with. The Callowesse Air2 Retractable Safety Gate is equipped with a fantastically strong mesh material. It's perfect because it has visibility, you can see through it, so if you need to keep an eye on your little ones or potentially your pets, you have the option to do so. It is also a wipe clean material, so any mucky fingerprints, you can wipe them clean with a damp cloth. The Callowesse Air2 Retractable Safety Gate is super easy to install, and everything you need is included in the installation box. The Callowesse Air2 Retractable Safety Gate can be purchased in white or grey. You can do so at babysecurity.co.uk. Thanks for watching.